Hey there, and welcome to this episode. Today, we're diving into a topic that's changing the world faster than anything else. Right now, artificial intelligence, or simply AI. You've probably heard of it. Maybe you've even used it today without realizing. But what is it really? And why is everyone talking about it? Let's explore. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, even recognizing images and sounds. Think of AI like a brain only. It's digital, and it's not just in sci-fi movies anymore. It's already around us. When Netflix recommends a show, when your phone unlocks with your face, or when Google finishes your sentence, that's AI at work. At its core, AI is made of algorithms, sets of instructions that help computers learn from data and make decisions. The more data it sees, the smarter it becomes. AI is everywhere. In healthcare, it helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. In finance, it detects fraud and manages investments. In transportation, it powers self-driving cars. And in customer service, you guessed, its yachtbots and virtual assistants are powered by. Even artists and musicians are using AI to create songs, videos, and paintings. AI is no longer just helping with tasks, it's becoming a creative partner. Now, AI brings huge opportunities, but also serious questions. On the one hand, it can make life easier, faster, and more efficient. On the other, there are concerns. What happens to jobs as machines get smarter? Can AI be biased or make unfair decisions? And the big one, could AI ever become too powerful? These are real conversations happening among scientists, governments, and tech leaders right now. That's why ethical AI development is so important. So we can make sure it helps people, not replaces them. So, what does the future look like? Well, AI is not going away. In fact, it's growing fast. In the next 5 to 10 years, we might see AI-powered teachers, doctors, lawyers, and even friends. But here's the key. AI is a tool, and like any tool, how we use it will shape our future. Thanks for listening to this episode. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized deep dives into the future of tech. Until next time, stay curious.